Right. Everyone observe reflexive. Reflexive, write down, Amma. Reflexive relation. Reflexive relation is. Reflexive relation is if a same letters belonging to the relation for all every element is belonging to the A. Okay, na? Now see, in this one comma one does not belong to R. In R, there is no one comma one. In R, there is no 2 comma 2. In R, there is no 2 comma 2. Okay, na? 2 comma 2 also not in the R. There is no 3 comma 3 also not in the relation. Therefore, not reflexive. Not reflexive. Is it clear? Not reflexive. Everyone clear na? Not reflexive. Right. Symmetric command. Immediately write down symmetric. Symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. What is the symmetric relation? First definition. A comma B belongs to relation that implies reverse order. B comma A belongs to relation for all A comma B belongs to the set A. Okay, na? Now see, in the R, for all 1 comma 2 belongs to relation R, its reverse order also belonging to the R. Therefore, symmetric relation. Symmetric. Okay, na? Now write down the transitive, everyone. Transitive relation, write down. Transitive relation. Transitive relation. So if A comma B belongs to R, if A comma B belongs to R, next, and B comma C belongs to R, that implies first and the last A comma C belongs to R for all A, B, C belonging to the set A. Now work out, Amma. So here, see the for all 1 comma 2 belongs to R and 2 comma 1 belongs to R, but 1 comma 1 is not in the R. 1 comma 1 is not in the R. 1 comma 1 is not in the R. Okay, na? So see, 1 comma 2 belongs to R. 2 comma 1 is belonging to the R. But first and the last element, 1 comma 1 does not belonging to the R. Therefore, not transitive. Not transitive. Okay, na? Not transitive. Therefore, it is the only symmetric, not reflexive, not transitive. Not reflexive and not transitive. Is it clear, everyone? Right. First, you have to go through the seventh problem. Everyone see the seventh problem. Everyone observe the seventh problem is, first to see everyone, show that the relation capital R in the set. Show that the relation capital R in the set. Show that the capital A. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see the transitive. Everyone observe transitive. Everyone observe the transitive. First one, seventh one. A is the set of all books in the library of the college. R is the relation, that is the given. X and Y have the same number of pages. X is the one book, Y is the one book, two different books, but both have the same number of pages. Both have the same number of pages. In this point should be write down. So A is the set of all books in the library. So seventh solution is C. Seventh problem solution, given that, what are the given is? A is equal to set of all books in the library. Books in the library. So books in the library. Okay, now library, books in the library. Right. What is the relation is given? R is equal to X comma Y. X is the one book, Y is the another book. For all X and Y have the X and Y, X and Y, X and Y have same number of pages, same number of pages, same number of pages. X and Y have the same number of pages. X for all. X is the one book in the library. Y is the one more book in the library. X and Y belonging to the A set. X is the one book, separate book in the library. Y is the another separate book in the library. A is the set of all library books. Okay, na? X is the one of the book. So now what we are going to prove that is a equivalence relation. Is a equivalence relation. Okay, na? First reflexive means itself. Same book I will take. For example, I will take maths book. How many pages is there? Roughly 400 pages. I will take from one person is a mathematics book. Another person also I will take mathematics. Same book mathematics. I will observe. Both have the same number of pages or different number of pages. Same number of pages only. Okay, na? So I will take. So one same mathematics book from the one person and another second bench. I will take the same mathematics book from the second function. Both are the mathematical books. Both have the mathematical books. Therefore, they have the same number of pages or different number of pages or same number of pages. Therefore, it is a reflexive. Same book have the same number of pages. Therefore, it is a reflexive. Okay, na? Right. Write down everyone. Reflexive relation. Reflexive relation. First, write down the definition. If A comma A belongs to R, for all A belongs to A. For all A belongs to A. So, for all X comma X belongs to R, that implies same books X, same books X have same number of pages, same number of pages, same number of pages. Therefore, reflexive relation. Therefore, reflexive relation. One point is completed. Write down the symmetric. Write down the symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. First, write down the definition. If A is the one book, B is the another book in the relation R, that implies reverse order have the same. For all A, B are the belonging to the A set. Now see, for all X comma Y belongs to R means X and Y have the same number of pages. X book and Y book have same number of pages. Same number of pages. Same number of pages. X comma Y belongs to R, then X and Y have the same number of pages by the definition. By the definition, the X and Y have the same number of pages. Okay, na? Same number of pages. Reverse read, Amma. So reverse read. Y and X have same number of pages. have same number of pages. Same number of pages. Reverse read among x and y have the same number of pages. Mean y and x have the same number of pages. Y and x have the same number of pages. Therefore, so y comma x belongs to R. Therefore, symmetric relation. Therefore, symmetric relation. Therefore, symmetric relation. Y comma x. Y comma x belongs to R. Y comma x belongs to R. Y comma x belongs to R. Y comma x. Y comma x belongs to R. Therefore, symmetric relation. Therefore, symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. Right now, transitive check come everyone. Transitive relation. Everyone check the transitive relation. Everyone check the transitive relation. Is a transitive or not a transitive? Now check and tell me. Transitive relation. Transitive relation. First write down the definition. If A comma B belongs to relation and B comma C belongs to relation, first and last A comma C belongs to relation for all A, B, C belonging to the A set. For all A, B, C belonging to the A set. First write down for all X comma Y, meaning by belongs to R, meaning is X book and Y book. Y book have same number of pages. Have same number of pages. Same number of pages. This is the first relation. Second one right on for all Y comma Z belongs to R. That implies Y book and Z book. Y book and Z book have same number of pages. Same number of pages. From 1 and 2, what we have understand? Tell me, Amma. X and Y have the same number of pages. X have the 100 pages and Y also 100 pages. Y and Z have the same pages. So Y have the 100 pages mean Z also 100 pages. Therefore, what do you understand? Tell me, Amma. X and Z have the same number of pages. X and Z have the same number of pages. Therefore, now write down from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. X and Z. X and Z have same number of pages. Same number of pages. That implies X comma Z belongs to R. Therefore, transitive relation. Transitive relation. Okay, now? Very Z is given in the question. Please repeat how to take. Are Abhay, what are the statement you can see? A, B. Next, what you write? B, C. Next, what you write? Where from C? From the definition is came. From the definition is came. So we are taking the in place of X is X and Y are in the question. We are transitive means we take the 3 numbers, 3 books. They are giving the X comma Y in the order pair. Z they are not given. That is not present. Here we transitive means we take the 3 books. 3 books means I am assuming the third book is the Z. Third book is the Z. Okay, na? Question is only 2 books, not a set read. What is the A set is? Books in the library. R is the only order pair. That is the order pair. One order pair is representing. So X comma Y. Second order pair is the Y comma Z. Third order pair is the Z comma P. Number of order pairs is there. Number of order. This is the one is represent means not one. Number of order pairs is there. Not only 2 books. So here is the X comma Y mean. So every relation. So X book and Y book have the same number of pages. Next order pair you can write Y and Z have the same number of pages. This is the representation of the set builder form. This is the set builder form. Okay, now? Right. Everyone go through the 8th problem. Therefore, equivalence relation. R is a equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Everyone read the 8th problem. R is given, so that is the set builder form. One definition it will be indicated. Not all they should not write. X, Y, Y, Z, 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 X, they cannot write. Set builder form is, it is a representing the one formation. So formation is called as a set builder form. Okay, now? Arey Sharath, why you are writing unnecessary words? Huh? If you have subject now mean, you can write. No means I will replace you. Huh? Right. Everyone see. Eighth problem. Show that the relation. Eighth problem. Everyone see. Show that the relation R in the set A. Show that the relation R in the set A. Eighth problem solution. Everyone see. Set A is given. Set A is given. Eighth problem. Okay, now set A is given. What is the set A is given by 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, relation R is given. Relation R is given A comma B, such that this is the set builder form. A comma B is the set builder form. A comma B is the set builder form. It should be remembered. This is the set builder form means these type of the order pace is there. That is the meaning. AB is there, BC is there, CA is there. Yeah, next number of order pace like this one. Right. Modulus of A minus B is a even. A minus B is a even. So this is the even we have to write. We have to show that is a equivalence relation. So show that is a equivalence relation. Is it clear, everyone? Show that. Right. Everyone see first equivalence relation. First, sir, we should take Z in a such a way that it must belonging to relate. Yes, we can take Z, everyone, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, S, in every letter we can take. That is the set builder form. What is the meaning of set builder form? So set is the square numbers, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, means we can write this is the set builder form. So set builder form we can write x square such that x belongs to natural number. X belongs to natural number. X place is the 1 we can take, 2 we can take, 3 we can take, 4 we can take. Or so we can write any other word being in letters, only alphabetic letters. Alphabetic letters we can x belongs to. Alphabetic letters mean x place in the x we can take, y we can take, z we can take. That is the meaning. Set builder form is that is the meaning. Okay, na? Right. And first you have to show that equivalence relation. Equivalence relation we have to show that is a even number. So is a even number. Everyone observe reflexive relation right now. Reflexive relation. Reflexive relation. What is the reflexive relation definition right now? If A comma A belongs to R, for all A is the element belonging to the A set mean, in place of A we can take 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. That is the meaning. Okay, na? That is the meaning. Understand? Now see, I will take one is the element. So by the definition, modulus of 1 minus 1 is a 0. 0 is the even number. Okay, na? Take 2 is the number. So 2 is the number. Same number we can take 2 comma 2. By the definition, 2 minus 2 is the 0. 0 is the even number. 0 is the even number. Therefore, reflexive. Therefore, reflexive. R is a reflexive. Relation is a reflexive. 1 point is completed. Okay, na? Symmetric, we go through the symmetric. Everyone go through the symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. Everyone go through the symmetric relation. So everyone go through the symmetric relation. Everyone go through the symmetric relation. What is the symmetric definition? Write down, Amma. If A comma B belongs to R, that implies B comma A belongs to R. B comma A belongs to R. Okay, na? B comma A belongs to R. Now take A, B, two different numbers we can take. Two different numbers we can take. Its difference is even number is required. Two different numbers is take. Its difference is even number is take. Odd numbers is take. Its difference is the even number. Okay, na? Odd numbers we can take. So for all 1 comma 3 belongs to R. That implies by the definition 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is a even number. Modulus of minus 2 is a even number. Is a even number. So here is everyone see reverse order right on 3 minus is take common, minus is take common, minus 3 minus 1. So it will become as a minus of 3 minus 1 is the 2. It is also even number. Reverse order also satisfying. That's why we can't write all the numbers. We can write in the definition for all A comma B belongs to R by the definition modulus of A minus B is equal to even number. Modulus of A minus B is equal to even number. Here take minus is common. B minus A is equal to even number. Modulus make the minus as a positive. Modulus of B minus A is equal to even number. Modulus of B minus A mean B comma A belongs to relation. Reverse order is came. We start with A comma B. We get the reverse order is the B comma A. Therefore, symmetric. Therefore, R is symmetric. Once again, observe everyone. R is once again observe how I am taking. So A comma B, I will start. I will get to B comma A. Reverse order means symmetric. Okay, na? Means symmetric. Is it clear, everyone? Once again, see A comma B definition is A comma B definition is modulus of A minus B is an even number. So take minus under modulus, take minus, but even number cannot be changed. Even number modulus make the negative as a positive. Modulus of B minus A. Yes, we can take numbers means all numbers is not possible. Na? All numbers is not, definition is the better. So you can prove like this one is the better. 1 time 1, 3 and 1, 5, 2, 4. These type of the take means we getting the representation is the time is the ways. Simple representation. Simple is the this one. Okay, na? You can follow this one. Okay, na? Right. Right. Everyone tries to relation write down. Everyone write down the trans-to relation. Trans-to relation. Trans-to relation. First definition write down. Trans-to relation definition write down. So definition: if A comma B belongs to R and B comma C, here is